Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to make liquid splash transition easily in Premiere Pro. So let's start without any delay. First, drag your videos on timeline. Let me adjust the scale first. Next, drag this liquid splash video on timeline. I have given download link for 5 liquid overlay videos in description. Now increase the scale to fit. Next, put this video on third layer and drag second clip on middle like this. Now you can see here there is a 2 waves in video. First is white and second is black. We don't need this second wave, so make a cut before second wave and delete it. And drag the both videos on top of ending of the first clip like this. Now make a cut on middle video where first clip ends. Next, go to the effects and search for track matte and simply drag on middle clip. Now go to the effect controls. Here change matte to video 3 and composite using to matte luma. And it's done. You can download these overlay videos from description. And if you're new on this channel, then please do subscribe for more easy tutorials.